Welcome to UK Professional Development Academy. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to submit your assignment using the assignment submission slot on Learning Platform UKPDA. To begin, log into the platform using your username and password, then click the Login button. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can view important information about your courses. Next, click on the My Courses section. Here, you'll see the list of your qualifications and enrolled courses. Select your qualification, then scroll down and click on the name of the unit you are currently enrolled in. On the unit page, you'll find several helpful resources including general guidelines for writing your assignment, frequently asked questions, the assignment brief, the assignment worksheet. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll see the assignment submission slot section. Click on it to access the submission area. To submit your assignment, click Add Submission, click the plus icon, select Upload a File, click Choose File, select your assignment document, then click Upload this file. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful.